There's your problem. This is a brand new replacement part. This one's burnt out.
Covers and wipes, you know. There's everything you could possibly think of should be.
Back in business. Cold out, right?
Yeah.
See here before, this was like this, and this was off. Now we've got it like this, and now the pool return is off, and the spa is on. So if you want to heat the pool, you got to switch over, turn this with the switch right over here. You go click, click, and it'll go, and then you can heat the pool. It's one or the other. Absolutely fixed, 100%. It's already hot. Cut.
Yeah.
Non-flushables. Look at this. Look at it. Look at that. Door's locked.